Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, please accept my most respectful obeisances on the dust of your lotus feet. All glories to Srila Prabhupada, all glories to you. Guru Maharaj, I remembered that meeting with your holiness in the ICU ward of the Apollo Hospital. My heart filled with intense devotion and deep gratitude towards your lotus feet. When I came to saw you in the hospital, you told me that you had a dream that my neighbors are chastising me. So are you okay? At that very critical moment, painful moment, you are concerned about the issues of this most insignificant soul and thinking of how to help me. And when Guru Maharaj, I told you that you are suffering so much, immediately you remembered Srila Prabhupada and told me that your suffering is nothing. Srila Prabhupada suffered much more than this. Guru Maharaj, you are an ocean of devotion and mercy. Guru Maharaj, you never thought about your suffering, your pain. You always think how you can extend your help, your prayers, your blessings to everyone. You are pinnacle in devotee care. In whatever situation you are, you always teach your disciple by your highest example. Every word, every action of yours are filled with so many life learning example for us. Guru Maharaj, please bless this most insignificant soul that I can engage myself in such a way that you can be pleased. Your spiritual son, Ajita Gopinath Das. Guru Maharaj ki jai.
Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam Guru Maharaj. This is Jeevana Gaura Haridas from Chennai. Guru Maharaj, you all love us so much. We all love you so much. You were in Chennai for more than a year and you made Chaitanya Nitai Desh Chennai a holy place. And your care and responsibility, which you have always shown, and being a visionary, is an amazing thing in ISKCON community. And apart from that, you always keep us in our daily prayers. You came to Chennai on April 5th, 2020. You blessed all of us. And whatever little attempts we do, whether it is book distribution, preaching, or prasadam distribution, it is to seek mercy of the Guru Parampara. And also to seek extra mercy, special glance, favor from the dust of your lotus feet. Guru Maharaj, you are always enthused by preaching report. You all empowered us when you visited Chennai on April 5th, 2020. And by your mercy and empowerment, I have been able to deliver more than 1000 plus lectures during this last 1 year. And around 400 plus lectures on Gaura Leela to the Tamil speaking audience. We were able to cover all the Gaudiya Vaishnava Acharyas, Chaitanya Bhagavat, Chaitanya Mangal, Bhakti Ratnakar, Chaitanya Charitamrita, Navadip Mandal, Gaura Mandal. So all these little attempts, we do it in order to assist you in spreading the mission of Lord Chaitanya. The most important thing is, Guru Maharaj, you love us so much. And Prabhupada says that this movement is based on trust and love. And during this pandemic lockdown, a small team of South Chennai devotees, we were able to distribute 10,250 Bhagavad Gita. I seek special mercy on behalf of all of them.
Hare Krishna, my dear Guru Maharaj, please accept my humble obeisances at the lotus feet. All glories to Srila Prabhupada on this most auspicious day of your appearance. I express my deepest gratitude for constantly guiding conditioned souls like me in the path of Krishna consciousness. In 11th canto, chapter 2 of Srimad Bhagavatam, Sri Sukadeva Goswami says, a person who is not bewildered by the inevitable miseries of little existence and who remains aloof from them simply by remembering the lotus feet of Sri Krishna is to be considered Bhagavata Pradhana, the foremost devotee of the Supreme Lord. Though you are facing many difficulties and physical challenges, as explained above from Srimad Bhagavatam, you are least trouble and you are callous to such material miseries due to constant remembrance of the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. The current situation has made your mobility to almost nil. However, the amazing fact is that you have given your association through online media every day in a very excellent way. Through daily Chaitanya Leela class, daily home visits, lectures and special occasions, you are spreading Krishna consciousness like the usual way, and none of the material impediments has affected your routine. Moreover, Srila Prabhupada writes in the purport to Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, text 20 to 23, a person in Krishna consciousness is callous toward incidental occurrences such as accidents, disease, scarcity, and even the death of a most dear relative. He is always alert to execute the devotees in Krishna consciousness. Accidents never deviate him from his duty. As stated in Bhagavad Gita, Apain Anitya Stam Titikshasya Bharata. As Srila Prabhupada mentions in the above purport, body difficulties and ailments do not affect your duty of spreading Krishna consciousness. You are ever eager to distribute the message of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to as many souls as possible, irrespective of physical conditions and blockages caused by material nature. Due to a love for Srila Prabhupada and a deep attachment for the holy name, you extend yourself to beyond limits and bring as many fallen conditions as possible to the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. On this auspicious day, I beg for your mercy and kind blessings so that I may remain as a spectre of dust at the lotus feet and continue to serve you in some insignificant way to please you and the Guru Parampara. I repeatedly beg the lotus feet of Sri Radha Madhav, Astasakis, Sri Panchatattva, Sri Pradhana Srimadev, Srila Prabhupada, good protection and good health to our very dear Guru Maharaj. Your humble servant, Swarna Madhavada, Siskan Chennai. Hare Krishna.
नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताक स्वामिनित नामने नमो आचार्य पादाय निताय कृपा प्रदायने गौर कथा धामदाय नगर ग्रामतारिणे नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिनित नामने नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे All glories to Srila Prabhupada, all glories to Vaishnavas, all glories to Srila Guru Maharaj. By taking shelter of your lotus feet and by following and hearing from you, Guru Maharaj, we make our life successful. By your instructions and by your lectures, we inspire in our heart to propagate and to follow in our life the mission of Srila Prabhupada and to preach to everyone in this world. So, by giving me shelter at your lotus feet, we became fortunate, Guru Maharaj, in this lifetime. So we want to assist you and help you in your mission to Srila Prabhupada, and we seek your blessings to support always in your preaching programs in various ways. So we take always your shelter so that we can please you in all our services and activities which we are performing in to your pleasure. And also we want to follow strict attentive chanting every day in qualitative way so that we can please you in our chanting every day by our service to you and Sri Krishna and Gauranga Mahaprabhu. So thank you very much, Guru Maharaj, for giving me this opportunity on this Vyasa Puja day. Thank you, Guru Maharaj. Hare Krishna.
Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Srila Gurudev ki jai, Anant Koti Vaishnav Vrind ki jai. Today on this most auspicious day of Srila Gurudev's Vyasa Puja Mahotsav, I would like to say that just by hearing you, observing you, and following your instructions, we have made our life successful. On this special day, I would like to pray that I always be under your shelter and the shelter of Vaishnavas. One of the unlimited qualities of Srila Gurudev is his loving compassion nature for others, which has really inspired me and changed me. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj. This is Sumodar Shamdas from Chennai. Please accept my respectful obeisance unto your dust of your lotus feet. All glories to Srila Prabhupada and all glories to you. I want to express my gratitude to you on this very, very auspicious day. Your mood is filled with the genuine compassion and then love. Regarding this, we heard from the senior devotees that how much you are taking care of the devotees who are affected by the COVID. So hearing all these, the pastimes, it is very, very inspiring for us. So during the pandemic situation, by your mercy, we have taken up the advantage of online preaching program where we studied Bhagavad Gita, Nectar of Instruction, Nectar of Devotion, Ishopanishad and the Vaishnava etiquette. Currently we are studying the Srila Prabhupada Leelamrita. So many new people have joined this program and then taken up the chanting process. So only by the mercy of the spiritual master one can advance in the Krishna consciousness. So I seek your blessings to render the service to you in spreading Krishna consciousness and then support and then helping the Srila Prabhupada mission. So thank you Guru Maharaj, thank you for the opportunity. Hare Krishna.